bad girls, make them say wow. Wow, wow, wow. Wow, wow, wow. Make 'em say wow, wow, wow.
Hi, my name is Abhishek Marshal Lewis. I work as a department lead in fashion communication at Pearl Academy, Mumbai. Today on the creative table, I bring my knowledge and experience of 15 years in the field of visual merchandising and marketing. Under the umbrella of fashion communication, we have marketing, branding, PR, photography, and visual merchandising. So one day at Pearl, either you're doing a live industry project, masterclass with your industrial leader, a fun photography trip, or an industrial visit to your dream media house. Our fashion communication department consists of industrial experts who guide you every step of the way, providing students with valuable opportunity to engage with industry experts in the real world projects. And this happens on daily basis right here at Pearl.